Okay, test two, recording is on. I'm sitting at the computer desk watching the audio screen. I have the Blue Channel wireless mic. I'm holding it 24 inches from my mouth and it is stationary. The graph here looks okayish. I'm predominantly green, reaching 2/3, 3/4 of the bar, but I see a lot of yellow and a lot of red at the times that I'm not speaking clearly. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now, we're using original sound for musicians, which is what they claim. Let's go back to Zoom, optimized audio. Okay, test 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Currently, we're on Zoom, optimized audio. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I am now going to click the software for the automatic adjust of microphone volume. All right, we've got everything clicked as far as Zoom optimized audio. What we have right now is automatically adjust mic volume, Zoom optimized audio, auto as far as background noise suppression. And we can go through those real quick, but I don't know that they'll matter because I'm in an empty church. So let's go ahead real quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm back to the original sound. Let me go ahead and tap echo cancellation. See if that makes any kind of difference to us. 1, 2, 3, 4. Checking high fidelity. 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, it's not doing good things to the graph, so I don't know about anywhere else. But let's go ahead and wrap up part two, wireless mic sound test. So I can go ahead and give this a listen.